Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? In addition to advocating for South America's independence in two political treatises, the Cartagena Manifesto and the Letter from Jamaica, Simón Bolívar personally led armies against the Spanish, liberating three South American territories: New Granada, present-day Colombia and Panama; Venezuela; and Quito, present-day blank, from colonial rule. So looking at this sentence, towards this blank part, there is a supplementary phrase, which begins from this dash here, which highlights the three different South American territories that Simón Bolívar helped liberate, which were New Granada, Venezuela, and Quito. So the beginning of this supplementary phrase begins with a dash, so the end of it must also have a dash to separate it from the rest of the sentence. So the correct answer for this blank would incorporate a dash. Let's look at the answer choices now. A. Ecuador, comma, parentheses. This is incorrect because, for one, the comma after Ecuador and before the parentheses is completely incorrect because there's no item in the list after Ecuador, so there's no need for a comma there at all. And because there is no dash after this parentheses, then this supplementary phrase isn't properly separated from the rest of the sentence. So therefore A is incorrect. B. Ecuador, parentheses. This is incorrect because, like A, there's no dash after the parentheses, and because there is no dash, this supplementary phrase that begins with New Granada and then ends with Ecuador and the parentheses is not separated properly from the rest of the sentence. And because this isn't separated properly, the sentence as a whole is grammatically incorrect, and therefore B is incorrect. C. Ecuador, parentheses, comma. This is incorrect because to separate a supplementary phrase, there needs to be a comma before the beginning of the supplementary phrase and after the end of the supplementary phrase, or a dash before and a dash after. In this case, a dash is used to begin it, so a dash must be used after to end it. In this case, a dash and a comma cannot be used to separate this supplementary phrase from the rest of the sentence. Therefore, C is incorrect. D. Ecuador, parentheses, dash. This is the correct answer because this properly separates the supplementary phrase from the rest of the sentence, where it uses a dash in the beginning and then a dash at the end. And therefore, the correct answer is D.